Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a unboxing of a Row bag from, I bought this pre-owned from TheRealReal. So I've never sold any of my items at TheRealReal. I refuse to, mainly because they are doing some really shady things at TheRealReal, and I'm working on a video right now to explain why I would never sell my items at TheRealReal, but I would buy from them, even though it's like playing Russian roulette. They're Russian roulette. Yeah, it's still early in the morning for me because their photos are absolutely terrible on the website, and you just never know what you're really going to get. So this bag said it was in very good condition. This is the Camden, and it's been discontinued, which is why I've been stocking this bag for over a year now. I've been looking for it on all the resale sites. Wow, it's actually not bad. I love this color, and their saddle leather is absolutely the softest leather that I've ever come across, really. Maybe Louis Vuitton comes close, actually, with their millesime leather. Kind of feels similar to this. Let me zoom in a little bit. So the only thing that I would say got it a good rating instead of very good is because of these marks on the bottom of the bag. So this bag does not have any feet, but I can't tell if this is like watermarks or if that's like just the natural veining of the leather, because sometimes you can have these dark stretch marks because it is leather, and animals, if this is cowhide, calf skin, I don't know, sometimes their skin, their leather, their hide is going to have marks on it that they did not cover up, because anything that's covered up to me isn't like real leather. Kind of like Saffiano leather is not real leather to me because it's just covered up in plastic. So let's take a look at this. Comes with the cards. Wow, it's not bad. So the only thing I don't like is the strap. The strap is very thin. The Row likes to use very thin straps, which I find to be absolutely terrible because they're kind of pointless. They'll dig into your shoulder and it'll hurt. So I'm trying to see if this is removable or not. Let's take a look. If I remove this, will it leave a loop? Can I remove this? Let's see. I don't think I can remove it. I think it's stuck on. I will have to play with it a little bit more, see if I can get it off, and then I'll just hook one of my other straps to the loops, if there are loops that I can use. I'm not sure. If not, then I'll probably just keep these straps inside the bag, and then I'll just use it as a handheld only. All right, let me zoom back out. So the inside is actually also lining. It's like a chocolate leather lining as well. It has a magnetic closure. Let's see. Oh, those are my cats, if you heard that. They're not happy that they're in the room right now. I had to keep them in there today because of this unboxing. They're usually running around and they'll be all over me in a second. So the handle, let me zoom back out. The handle here fits very nicely. It's a little bit thick actually for my small hands to grip, but I think it should be okay. There is no real drop here. It's very small. I'd say it's probably 2.5 inches, 3 inches max, but I can get it over my wrist. So, but we'll see if I have any trouble with that with the coat. I probably will. But overall, I think it's in really good condition. I gave it a good rating, but I would actually say this is very good. It has a little bit of the Row there. I mean, I've been wanting this bag for a couple of years now. I've been looking for this like daily, and I kept missing some. Some were not in the greatest condition, but this is very acceptable to me. So TheRealReal actually came through this time. I'm very impressed, and I got it for a pretty good price, I think, because it was listed as good and nobody wanted it because of the marks on the bottom of the bag, which honestly aren't that bad, and nobody's going to see it because when I use it, it's just going to be standing up like that. All right, that is it for me. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.